product X in the following reaction is, the product X in the following reaction is, right? So they have given the starting material, we have to tell which of the product formed, right? I hope this is not there in the NCERT textbook, but these questions have been asked in JEE as well as in NEET, right? So you should concentrate on this. I hope you have, while teaching m-CPBA, the lecturer will teach m-CPBA. What is m-CPBA? Benzene ring is there at meta position 1 chlorine, metachloro per benzoic acid. COOH means what? Benzoic acid. COOH means benzoic acid. Instead of H, it will be having one more O and H. This is m-CPBA. Metachloro per benzoic acid. This is oxygen oxygen bond, we call it as peroxide bond. Peroxide bond. So what is this m-CPBA will do? If alkene is there, if I add this m-CPBA, we get epoxides. Cyclic ether. Cyclic ether we call it as epoxide. So this is what m-CPBA, right? So in this reaction they have given this one alkene. Alkene means cyclic structure, they have given this alkene. To this they are adding C6H5CO, means nothing but this only. OH is there and here again O, which is attached to CO and benzene ring. So this is what C6H5COOH per oxide bond is there. Peroxide bond we call it as peroxide bond, in which oxygen oxidation state is -1. This is also asked in so many times, right? At 25 degrees Celsius, what happens? See, again the alkene becomes what? Epoxide. If you see the mechanism, it will be like this and we will get the product like this, right? So this may go above and other things, this oxygen will come below like this and we get this epoxide. Cyclic ether we call it as epoxide. So the answer is this one. So if we see the options, A is 1,2-diol, we won't get it. Here also 1,2-diol, we won't get it. Here D is also 1,2-diol, we won't get it. The answer is C, epoxide, we will get it. So option is C. So even the stereochemistry has been asked in JEE Advanced also. Those things if you don't know, we can discuss later. Thank you.